Nokia is about to shake things up with another incredible smartphone. If you're a fan of Nokia's smartphones, you definitely need to check this one out. Nokia is all set to deliver iPhone-like features at a much more affordable price. This powerhouse of a smartphone is rumored to come with a jaw-dropping 250-megapixel DSLR camera and a massive 7500 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia McLaren Premium 5G smartphone. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia McLaren Premium 5G. Let's talk about the display first. This beast is expected to feature a stunning 6.75-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. On top of that, it's rumored to come with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and an in-display fingerprint sensor, for that premium feel. Camera quality. When it comes to the camera, the Nokia McLaren Premium 5G is a game-changer. On the back, you'll find a triple camera setup, with a primary 250-megapixel sensor. Yes, 250 megapixel. Alongside that, it's expected to have 50 megapixel, 32 megapixel, and 8 megapixel sensors for ultra-wide, macro, and depth shots. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front-facing camera, ready to capture your best angles. Processor. Under the hood, this phone is rumored to pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, one of the most powerful mobile chipsets out there. And for software, it's expected to run on the latest Android 15 operating system, ensuring a smooth and future-proof experience. Battery backup. Battery life. Oh, it's a monster. The Nokia McLaren Premium 5G is said to come with a 7500 mAh battery that supports 120-watt fast charging. Plus, it'll feature a USB Type-C charging port for added convenience. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. This premium smartphone is expected to be priced around $900, making it a strong competitor in the flagship segment. As for the launch date, mark your calendars because Nokia is likely to unveil this beast in early 2026.